Go ahead, it's live.
Yeah, see a lady, yeah, she turn around. Hit that body up, then I tell her bust it down. She really like that little thing.
What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie, and goddamn, bruh, what's up with this? Like, look at this shit. You're gonna take up the whole damn road. I don't get that, man. I really don't. Nothing against you bikers, but why are you taking up the whole road, bro? Like, you can't ride behind one another? Anyways, you guys see what it is, man. We just out here having fun, you know. Let me turn this thing back onto stock and all that. Put my whip back into sport, or into sport, because that's what we're talking about here today, man. I made a video the other day talking about how track mode is not good for your vehicle, or at least that's what people say. They say that track mode isn't good for your vehicle. You shouldn't do it, only on occasion, you know, you shouldn't do it all the time. But anyways, man, before we get into what we're talking about here today, if you guys haven't liked and subscribed and commented yet, please do that favor for me, because it helps the channel grow. You know, it helps the channel tremendously, and I appreciate that greatly, guys. But other than that, man, we could get right into it. I made a video the other day talking about track mode and how a lot of people say it's not good to drive your car in track mode all the time, or even most of the time, you know, even 50% of the time. They say that it's not good on your transmission, it's gonna wear out the transmission, and this and that, you know, and there's several different opinions about it. There's a lot of good information in those comments, so if you guys want to go check out that video, look in the comment section. I told everybody to treat it like a forum, and that's pretty much exactly what they did, man. So I appreciate you guys greatly. There's a lot of good information in those comments. I got some good information out of all of that, and I'm definitely, you know, using that. But you know, a lot of people are saying in there, a lot of people got split opinions on this, man. Some people are saying that obviously it's not good for the transmission. Some people are saying that it wouldn't be in here if it would hurt your vehicle. You know, they say Dodge wouldn't have put it in our vehicles if it wasn't meant to be used. I can see where both opinions are coming from. You know, some people say it's alright to use it every now and then, but not all the time. And that's kind of where I fall. Obviously, just like anything, you know, if you use something too much, it's gonna wear it out, man, you know, just like anything. But at the same time, you know, each vehicle is not made equally. So I mean, just like a person, man, somebody could smoke their whole life and never have any issues, you know, one specific person. But then another person can smoke here and there and they could get lung cancer and die. You know what I'm saying? Not every person is the same, and not every vehicle is the same. It could be the same exact vehicle, but you know, it could be built differently. You know, you never know, man. But basically what I'm saying is, your vehicle, you could use track mode all the time and never have any issues, and then somebody else's vehicle, they can use it here and there, you know, they can use it every now and then, and you know, their transmission might break on them. So you know, it just all depends. It's just pretty much the luck of the draw. But I will say, the more you use track mode, if you're using it all the time, the greater chances that you're gonna have some issues with your transmission. And it might not happen right away. I don't think the issues are gonna occur right away, but where you'll see those issues is gonna be more down the line. So that's something that I've realized, and you know, it's something that I thought about before, but I was just like, you know what, fuck it. I kind of had the mentality like, you know, they wouldn't put it in our cars if it wasn't meant to be used, and I want to, you know, I bought this thing to drive it, and I want to go fast. I want to feel those aggressive shifts. You know, I want to drive my vehicle how I want to drive it. And you know, I still do, and I'm still gonna use track mode. But before, I was kind of ODing on it, man. I would use it all the time. I would just be driving normal like I am now, driving in track mode. And you know, I don't think, I mean, it doesn't even make any sense, man. If you're not gunning it, if you're not racing, if you're not at the track, if you're not on a canyon run, then there's really no point to use track mode, in my opinion. Now, everybody is entitled to their own opinion, and that's totally fine. But me personally, I'm just gonna keep it in sport from now on, and maybe every now and then I'll put it in street. I don't think I'll be using eco too much. And that's another thing we got to talk about is eco, but I'm gonna make a whole My bad. I can't help it, man. If I'm at a stop and there's just a straightaway like that, I gotta do what I gotta do, man. Even mid-sentence, I caught myself, but you know, I gotta do that sometimes, man. But what was I saying, guys? Yeah, I'm gonna make a separate video about that whole eco mode thing. But that's pretty much where I fall when it comes to the discussion on, is track mode bad for your transmission or is it not? I think it is. If you use it all the time, 100% of the time, it definitely could cause some issues down the line. Like I said, it might not happen right away, but you know, I think you're fine using it every now and then, and even more often than some people do. Like me, that's where I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna be using it probably a lot more often than a lot of people do. I might even use it once a day, but most of the time throughout the day, I'm gonna be driving in sport mode and not using it. At the end of the day, guys, it's your vehicle. Drive it how you want. Just know that there could be repercussions to certain things that you do, and that's how I'm pretty much living, man. You know, I'm enjoying my vehicle, and pretty much what I came to realize is I do want to enjoy this, but I want to enjoy it for the duration of the time I have it. You know, I don't want it to break down on me. I don't want to have any issues with it. So, you know, I gotta take care of my vehicle, man, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do, but I'm still gonna have fun with it at the same time. So that's pretty much how I feel about track mode. That's my opinion after hearing what everybody had to say about it and all that. But one thing I want to talk about, and it's what this video is really about, is my man Spark G in the comments. He actually put me onto this, that aside from the fact if it's good or not, you know, if your transmission was to blow or something was to happen to your vehicle and you take it into Dodge and they see, because they could tell what mode you drive it in, how much and all that. Hold up, man, we back at this stop sign. I gotta, my bad, guys. Let me just, you know, I gotta do this, man. Put this thing in track, make sure the coast is clear. Take that off. Not a bad, a little bit of spinach. But yeah, guys, like I was saying though, aside from the fact whether it's bad or not, if something were to happen to your vehicle and you're driving in track mode all the time, the dealership knows that. You know, when they go to plug it in and check your stuff out, they're gonna see, oh, this person drives it in track mode this amount of time. So if they look at it and they determine that your vehicle messed up because you always have it in track mode, then they're not gonna honor your warranty. And what Spark G put me onto is it actually, because a couple people were looking in the owner's manual to see if they could find anything about track mode not being good for your vehicle or not, and I don't think it's in the owner's manual. My boy, man, I forgot your name, man, I'm sorry, but my boy looked through it. I think his name was Justin, if I'm not mistaken. If it isn't, I'm sorry, bro. But he looked through it, he said, and he couldn't find anything. So it's not in the owner's manual, but my boy Spark G told me that it is in fact in the warranty paperwork. So if you look at the warranty paperwork, somewhere in the fine print, it's gonna say something about track mode, and either how you shouldn't be driving it all the time in track mode, or if something happens to your vehicle and they determine that it's because you were using track mode all the time, then they don't have to honor your warranty. So that's something that you guys need to be aware of as well, because if something were to happen to your vehicle, I mean, your dealership doesn't have to honor the warranty if you drive it in track mode all the time, how I am right now. But you know, with that being said, every dealership is different. Some dealerships, they'll even honor the warranty if you've had mods on the vehicle, you know what I'm saying? And some dealerships might not honor the warranty if you get a muffler delete. I don't know, that's probably to the extreme, but I'm just saying every dealership is not the same, and each dealership is going to react to certain stuff differently. So that's just something you need to take into account. Maybe go talk to your dealer and ask them. I know I plan on modding my vehicle up some more, and I hit them up and I asked them if they would still honor the warranty. They haven't got back to me yet. I actually asked the person who sold me the vehicle, but he hasn't got back to me. So I might just go in there, talk to somebody and see, just, you know, for my peace of mind, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do it either way, just because, you know, I got to get this content out there. I'm doing it not just for me, but for you guys as well. You know, I want to see how this thing could perform, I got a lot of stuff planned for it, so you know, we gonna do a full send. Not a full send, but we gonna send it nonetheless, man. So you guys stay tuned for all that. You know, we got that coming real soon. And pretty much that's what I wanted to tell you guys, is just be aware if you're using track mode all the time that the dealership doesn't have to honor that warranty if something were to happen to your vehicle. So whether it's good or not, damn, I don't know if you guys seen that bird right there, but I don't know if I hit it or not. I might have ran it over. I don't know why these birds always want to do that, man. My boy Jose is gonna laugh his ass off, bro, because I don't know what it is with these goddamn birds and this vehicle, but I don't know how many times, if you guys go look through my videos, you'll see this is like the 4th time that I've had a close encounter with the damn bird. And one time I actually hit a bird. I don't know if I hit that one, but it got pretty damn close. And I didn't see it fly away after I passed, so I didn't hear nothing though, so that's good. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to tell you guys. You know, shout out to my boy Spark G in the comments for sharing that information. And that's why it's good to comment your guys' opinions, man, down below, because it's kind of like a forum, you know. We could treat it like that. We could talk about certain stuff and we could help each other out. So I know I've received a lot of good information from just asking people to comment down below and them doing that, and you know, us talking about it, sharing our opinions, sharing our experiences. And there's a lot of knowledgeable people out there that watch these videos, so they're able to share their information with us that we otherwise wouldn't have known, or you know, would have had to search high and low to come across. So I appreciate all you guys for commenting and sharing your information, sharing your experiences, because it all goes a long way for sure. Not just for the channel, but in helping everybody that watches these videos. You know, it's a whole big community out here, and it's good that we do that, man. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to let you guys know. I'm not telling you not to use track mode. Do what you want, it's your vehicle. I know for sure I'm still gonna use track mode. I'm not gonna use it as much as I did before, but I'm probably, honestly, like I said, still use it a good amount more than your normal driver, you know what I'm saying? Because I like track mode. I do a lot of driving where track mode comes in handy, so I'm still gonna use it, but I'm just not gonna use it when I don't need to, you know? That's what sport mode is for. I'm actually in the middle of something real quick, man. What's that?
I need like a couple paper towels to put on it, or baby wipes. Got it. I'm on my way to the hospital.
What happened to you, dude?
Skin cancer.
Yeah, hold up.
I sweated, the bandage came off.
Alright, hold up, let me get something for you. Damn, dude had a huge fucking hole in his chest, dude. He said he had skin cancer or something. He asked me if I wanted to take a picture of it, but I don't think you guys wanted to see that, man. Might have got demonetized for some shit like that, but that shit was pretty graphic. I actually feel bad, but anyways, like I was saying, I'm not telling you guys not to use track mode. It's your vehicle, do what you want with it. I just want to give you that information, that way you know pretty much what you're getting yourself into, you know. I'm not saying anything's gonna happen. Like I said, every vehicle's different, and you might go 10 years plus, you know, 100,000 miles every day in track mode, and you might be totally fine. But on the other hand, you might not, so you never know. Obviously, the more you overdo things, the more risk you have of something happening. That's just with everything. But you know, you guys do what you like. I'm not here to tell you guys what to do, what not to do. I'm just here to give you information that I come across and to share my opinion with you guys. So once again, shout out to Spark G for giving me that information. You guys check your warranty paperwork, you know, read that fine print, and you know, above all else, have fun with your vehicles, man. Just take care of them. Don't be too reckless. Coming from me, you know, you guys, if you've seen most of my videos, you already know how I be doing it. But you know, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. You know, I just wanted to share that information with you guys. So if you guys have any other additional information, feel free to share it in the comments, and you know, I'll continue to make these updates. I'll continue to share any information that I come across, and that's how I like to have it, man. We're a whole big community, and I'm here to help, and other people are here to help as well. So we all help each other help each other. You help me, help you, help the rest of us. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you guys as always for tuning in, for all the love and support. It means a lot. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below because it helps the channel tremendously and I appreciate it greatly. All links are in the description to everything I use and recommend, so if you're interested in any of that stuff, go check it out. It's all there for you guys. Other than that, that's it for this one. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. As I always say, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.